kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. English. Today, we're going to discuss about the verbs in the progressive tenses. The present progressive tense, past progressive tense, and the future progressive tense. Let's read and study the following sentences. Take note of the highlighted words. Number 1. All students are making costumes. Number 2. Her father was driving her to the party. Number 3. Every kid at the party will be laughing at me. What is common to all the main verbs of these verb phrases? What is their ending suffix? Exactly. Are making, was driving, and will be laughing. These are ing verbs that indicate ongoing actions. The main verbs making, driving, and laughing express continuing actions. They are accompanied with the auxiliary or helping verbs are, was, and will be. Together, they form verb phrases that show the progressive tenses. Verbs in the progressive tenses may be differentiated according to form and use. They may express continuing actions or conditions in the present, past, or future. Auxiliary or helping verbs allow us to use verbs in any progressive tense. Examples. Present progressive tense. All students are making costumes. Auxiliary verb are plus the ing form of the main verb make. Past progressive tense. Her father was driving her to the party. Auxiliary verb was plus the ing form of the main verb drive. And for future progressive tense, every kid at the party will be laughing at me. Auxiliary verb will be plus the ing form of the main verb laugh. Present progressive tense. A verb in the present progressive tense expresses an action happening at the time of speaking. It is used in ing form and with the auxiliary or helping verbs am, is, and are. Some time expressions used are right now, now, at this moment, or at this time. Examples. The children are playing tennis right now. Lei is reading the story of Cinderella at this moment. She is washing the dishes now. I am eating noodles right now. The verb phrases are playing, is reading, is washing, and am eating are in the present progressive tense. The expressions right now, at this moment, and now are used to indicate present time. The present progressive tense is also used to show a future action. Examples. We are leaving for Baguio on Friday. The school is planning to have a basketball league this summer. The words on Friday and this summer are expressions that denote future time. Past progressive tense. A verb in the past progressive tense shows an action in progress for a certain period of time in the past. It is in ing form and is used with auxiliary or helping verbs was and were. The usual time expressions used are yesterday, last weekend, or a while ago. Examples: the dog was eating from a new dish a while ago. I was singing your favorite song yesterday. She was baking cake last night. They were painting the fence last weekend. The verb phrases was eating, was singing, was baking, and were painting are in the past progressive tense. The expressions a while ago, yesterday, last night, and last weekend are used to indicate past time. The past progressive tense also shows an ongoing action at a time when another past action happens. Examples: Lance was practicing his guitar lessons when Ralph knocked on the door. We were visiting vegan when we met Lester. Notice that was practicing and were visiting are in the past progressive, while knock and met are in the simple past tense. Future progressive tense. A verb in the future progressive tense shows a future action in progress at a certain period of time in the future. It is in ing form and is used with the auxiliary or helping verbs will be and shall be. The commonly used time expressions are next summer, by tomorrow, or any expression indicating the future time. Examples: the Santos family will be going to Rizal Park this weekend. We shall be asking questions about the trip afterward. I shall be seeing you this time next weekend. He will be studying tonight. The verb phrases will be going, shall be asking, shall be seeing, and will be studying express actions that will be in progress at some future time. By the way, it does not matter if one uses will be or shall be. Let's have a recap. Present progressive tense. The structure is am, is, or are plus the ing form of the verb. It is an action happening at the time of speaking. It shows a future action. Expressions indicating the present time. Past progressive tense. The structure is was or were plus the ing form of the verb. An action in progress for a certain period of time in the past. It shows an ongoing action at the time when another past action happens. Expressions indicating past time. Future progressive tense. The structure is will be or shall be plus the ing form of the verb. A future action in progress at a certain period of time in the future, and expressions indicating future time. Choose the correct verb that will complete the sentence. Mark the box with a check. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Are you ready? At this time, all employees blank their short break. Am having, is having, are having, was having, were having, will be having. At this time, all the employees are having their short break. Do you remember what you blanked at this time last Monday? Am doing, is doing, are doing, was doing, were doing, will be doing. Do you remember what you were doing at this time last Monday? We blank our decision right now. Am making, is making, are making, was making, were making, will be making. We are making our decision right now. I blank on my chores when you called. Am working, is working, are working, was working, were working, will be working. I was working on my chores when you called. By this time tomorrow morning, Raver blank to Shanghai, China. Am flying, is flying, are flying, was flying, were flying, will be flying. By this time tomorrow morning, Raver will be flying to Shanghai, China.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.